One of the main reasons why people crossdress is to express themselves. Crossdressing allows you to explore and express your identity and personality in ways that may not be possible or comfortable in your everyday life. You can experiment with different aspects of your gender, such as femininity or masculinity, or create your own unique blend of both. You can also express your mood, taste, and style through your clothing choices. Crossdressing can also boost your confidence and self-esteem. When you crossdress, you can feel more comfortable and attractive in your own skin. You can also challenge yourself to overcome your fears and insecurities, and to embrace your true self. Crossdressing can help you develop a positive body image and a healthy self-love. Crossdressing can also help you break free from gender stereotypes and norms. You can defy the expectations and limitations that society imposes on you based on your assigned gender. You can show that gender is not a fixed or binary category, but a fluid and diverse spectrum. You can also show that your gender expression does not define your sexuality, your personality, or your worth. You can be whoever you want to be, regardless of what others think or say. Another reason why people crossdress is to have fun. Crossdressing can unleash your artistic and imaginative side, and allow you to express your creativity through your appearance. You can experiment with different colors, patterns, fabrics, and accessories, and create your own unique outfits and looks. You can also play with different hairstyles, makeup, and jewelry, and enhance your features and beauty. You can also try different roles and personas, and act out your fantasies and dreams. Crossdressing can also offer you a variety of styles and looks to try. You can dress up for different occasions, such as parties, dates, or work. You can also dress up for different themes, such as vintage, gothic, or cosplay. You can also dress up for different seasons, such as spring, summer, autumn, or winter. You can also dress up for different moods, such as sexy, cute, elegant, or casual. You can also dress up for different genres, such as rock, pop, country, or jazz. The possibilities are endless, and you can always find something new and exciting to wear. Crossdressing can also make you feel happy and playful. When you crossdress, you can enjoy the thrill and pleasure of transforming your appearance and feeling like a different person. You can also enjoy the compliments and attention that you may receive from others, and feel more attractive and desirable. You can also enjoy the humor and laughter that crossdressing can bring, and not take yourself too seriously. You can also enjoy the freedom and relaxation that crossdressing can provide, and escape from the stress and boredom of your daily life. A third reason why people crossdress is to connect with others. Crossdressing can expose you to different perspectives and experiences, and help you learn more about yourself and the world. You can gain a deeper understanding and appreciation of the opposite gender, and the challenges and joys that they face. You can also gain a broader awareness and respect of the diversity and complexity of gender, and the different ways that people express and identify themselves. You can also gain a greater empathy and compassion for people who are different from you, and who may face discrimination and oppression because of their gender expression or identity. Crossdressing can also foster a sense of community and support among crossdressers. You can meet and interact with other crossdressers, who share your interests and passions, and who understand your struggles and aspirations. You can also join crossdressing groups and clubs, both online and offline, where you can find friendship, advice, and inspiration. You can also attend crossdressing events and activities, such as parties, workshops, or conferences, where you can socialize, network, and have fun. You can also participate in crossdressing causes and movements, such as pride parades, awareness campaigns, or advocacy groups, where you can express your voice, show your solidarity, and make a difference. Crossdressing can also promote tolerance and respect for people of all genders and expressions. You can educate and inspire others, who may not be familiar or comfortable with crossdressing, and who may have misconceptions or prejudices about it. You can also challenge and change the negative stereotypes and stigma that surround crossdressing, and show that it is not a disorder, a perversion, or a threat. You can also celebrate and showcase the beauty and joy of crossdressing, and show that it is a valid and valuable form of self-expression and self-discovery. If you have a desire or interest in crossdressing, don't be afraid or ashamed of it. It is a natural and normal part of human nature, and nothing to be hidden or suppressed. Instead, embrace and celebrate it, and explore and enjoy it. You will discover a whole new world of beauty and joy, and a whole new you.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.